Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an AFK channel on Discord. So go to your server, make sure you're an admin or you own the server. Go to server settings, go to an active channel. Maybe make one first. So under gaming channel here, I'll create channel and I'll call it AFK. You can name it anything you want and create channel. Then go back here, server settings. And under inactive, you're going to select the AFK channel, and you're also going to set the inactive timeout. So for instance, they're AFK for 15 minutes, they're going to automatically be disconnected. I usually have mine at 30 minutes, so select save changes. And whenever somebody's AFK, maybe from here, they'll be automatically muted in that channel. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.